Casement windows Dallas installation is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of options such as vinyl casement windows, aluminum casement windows, and wooden casement windows, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. These windows not only improve the look of a house but also offer excellent ventilation and ease of use. Window repair services in Dallas are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Whether it's window frame repair, window glass replacement, or window hardware adjustments, professional services ensure that your windows remain in top condition. Regular window maintenance can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your windows. Energy-efficient windows in Dallas, Texas, are a smart investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Double-glazed windows and storm windows are excellent options for enhancing insulation and minimizing heat loss. These windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Custom window solutions in Dallas offer homeowners the opportunity to tailor their windows to their specific needs and preferences. From unique window styles to personalized window design consultation, custom solutions ensure that every aspect of your windows meets your expectations. This personalized approach can significantly enhance the overall look and feel of your home. Window replacement in Dallas is a crucial service for those dealing with outdated or damaged windows. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows can improve your home's value and curb appeal. With options like vinyl casement windows and double-glazed windows, homeowners can enjoy improved performance and aesthetics. Vinyl casement windows in Dallas are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows offer excellent insulation properties and are available in various styles to match any home design. Vinyl windows are resistant to weathering, making them a long-lasting option for Dallas residents. Aluminum casement windows in Dallas provide a sleek, modern look while offering robust performance. Known for their strength and durability, aluminum windows are ideal for those seeking a contemporary aesthetic. These windows are also resistant to corrosion, making them suitable for the Dallas climate. Wooden casement windows Dallas offer a classic, timeless appeal that many homeowners desire. These windows provide excellent insulation and can be customized with various finishes to match your home's decor. Wooden windows require regular maintenance to preserve their beauty and functionality. Double-glazed windows in Dallas are an excellent choice for those seeking enhanced energy efficiency and noise reduction. These windows consist of two panes of glass with a layer of gas in between, providing superior insulation. Double-glazed windows are ideal for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment year-round. Casement windows Dallas is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular cleaning, sealing, and hardware checks can prevent issues such as drafts and leaks. Professional window maintenance services can help identify potential problems before they become costly repairs. Window sealing in Dallas is an essential service for preventing air leaks and improving energy efficiency. Proper sealing ensures that your windows provide optimal insulation, reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort.